frustrated for him, understandably so. They will look to curb the flow of runs by taking up wickets. This side, they play a brand of attacking cricket, no doubt about it. When they're batting, when they're bowling, when they're fielding, they give it their all. The captain in patches has not been very happy with the team's fielding. That's one area they need to improve on.
And he is here because of this wicket. A debutant for Gaya Gladiators. Yashasvi Rishabh, playing his first match in the BCL, could not open his account.
Make amends now. Right off the fast by producing one blast. Well done, good fielding. That's what you require. There will be wayward throws. There will be moments that are not going their way. They've always been a very happy camp. Angika Avengers, good support coming in from their camp. Maintains his ground very quickly. Good covering up act again, and they also had a second backup there.
And Paddy, a direct hit would have been dangerous for the batsman. And he was, look at his jersey number, it's really interesting, 000, Ankit. We know a 007, we know 777 in another league, but 000 is interesting. We know double zeros in NBA, but 000 is interesting.
Yeah, would be advised to remove one of the zeros and use one suffix or prefix or wherever.
Excellent bowling. How good was that, Paddy?
Lethal. For a moment I thought, and as I saw your finger had went up. That's something that we don't have maybe in the second edition. Look at that.
Yes. Oh.